Let's see the formation of ionic bond in magnesium oxide. Formula MgO. As you know, magnesium, its atomic number is 12. It has 2 electrons in the outermost shell. Hence, it loses 2 electrons in order to attain the most stable configuration. So, it acquires 2 positive charges. In the case of oxygen, it accepts 2 electrons from the magnesium and becomes oxide ion. Here the cation is Mg2+ and that of anion is oxide ion. Now see how to write the electron dot diagram of magnesium oxide. So you have to write the symbol of magnesium and oxygen first. Then write the electronic configuration of magnesium and represent the 2 electrons in the valence shell using the dot. Next you have to write the configuration of oxygen and represent the 6 electrons present in the outermost shell. Now what happened to the magnesium? In order to attain stability, magnesium loses 2 electrons so that it becomes 2,8. Hence it gets 2 positive charge. Oxygen accepts this 2 electron from magnesium and becomes 2,8. Hence the charge acquired by the oxygen is -2. The electron dot diagram can represent in the form of an equation. So we can write Mg gives Mg plus 2 plus 2 electron. Oxygen plus 2 electron or plus 2 electron gives O minus 2 or O2 minus. Here the cation present in this equation is Mg plus 2 and the anion present in this equation is O minus 2. Remember, the positive ion is cation and the negative ion is anion. See another example of a compound with ionic bond. Sodium oxide. Its chemical formula is Na2O. In sodium oxide, there are 2 sodium atoms. So you have to write the oxygen in between these 2 sodium. Now write the configuration of sodium 281 and indicate the dot with the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. Here the number of electron is 1. So you have to represent 1 electron on the top of the sodium atom. Oxygen has an electronic configuration 2,6. Now represent the 6 electrons on the sides of oxygen atom. Now complete the electron dot diagram of sodium oxide. So what happened to sodium? Sodium attains stability by losing 1 electron. So it gets how many positive charge? 1 positive charge. So you have to represent +1. Now what is the change happened to oxygen? Oxygen attained 8 electrons because it received 2 electrons from each sodium atom in order to attain stability. So what is the charge acquired by the oxygen atom? It receives -2. Now you have to write the equation for this electron dot diagram. How will you write? Sodium gives Na plus 1 plus 1 electron. In this equation there are 2 sodium atoms, so we have to represent the equation for 2 sodium atoms. Hence 2Na gives 2Na plus 1 plus 2 electron. Na gives Na plus 1 plus 1 electron and 2Na gives 2Na plus 1 plus 2 electron. Cation present in this equation is sodium ion, Na plus 1. Let's write the equation for oxygen. Oxygen plus 2 electron gives O minus 2. Anion present in this equation is O minus 2, oxide ion.